Nadia Kavner stalked and harassed her daughter's ex-boyfriend and his new girlfriend here in Memphis. It turned into a federal case when she crossed state lines. Now she's facing prison time. She calls herself the #1 financial advisor in Missouri. Nadia Kavner spent tens of thousands of dollars not on her business, but to harass and intimidate her daughter's ex-boyfriend, who now lives in Memphis. It's unclear how the relationship ended.
I cannot discuss any facts of the case. We have ethical considerations. We have sentencing pending. We're not allowed to.
The ex-boyfriend moved to Memphis to attend UT Medical School. He found another girlfriend, but Kavner wasn't having it. She went above and beyond to make their lives miserable.
Interstate stalking means either that you physically cross a state line while you're doing the stalking, or you use a facility of interstate commerce like a telephone or a fax machine or the internet or email to do the stalking.
According to court documents, the 53-year-old mom did all of that and more between July and November 2011. She met with her private investigators here at the Peabody Hotel. She said she didn't want to kill him, just rough him up like break an arm. The new girlfriend wasn't getting off either. Kavner hired women to flirt with the boyfriend, wanted to plant drugs in her home, and even pay officers to charge her with DUI. The feds were tipped off before the new couple were physically harmed.
Even if the person that you speak to never even makes a move towards assaulting the person, you've solicited them to do it and you've attempted to do it, and that is itself a criminal act.
Kavner's attorney says she's remorseful about everything. The sentencing trial is on August 1st. Now she can face a maximum penalty of $250,000 and 5 years in federal prison. Jackie Orozco, ABC 24 News. Nadia Kavner from Missouri pleaded guilty earlier today right here at the federal courthouse for stalking her daughter's ex-boyfriend. Now get this, she also hired hitmen to rough him up, and she even tried to plant cameras where he lived. Now she's facing federal prison time. This mom took things a bit too far when it came to protecting her daughter after a breakup. 53-year-old Nadia Kavner pleaded guilty Friday in federal court to interstate stalking her daughter's ex-boyfriend for almost 4 months in 2011, which means the Missouri mom crossed state lines to harass and intimidate the ex and his new girlfriend. The ex-boyfriend moved to Memphis to attend UT Medical School. According to court documents, Kavner hired people to follow the new couple, send them threatening phone calls, emails, and more. Kavner comes from a family with money. According to her website, her father is an oil industry entrepreneur. She's an advisor with Cambridge Investment Research. Kavner oversees more than $485 million in assets. Now she's a convicted felon.
She is very strong. She's resolved to continue her philanthropy, which is very considerable. She donates thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars to various charities. She plans to continue that.
Now, the state did recommend probation, but a judge will decide that when she's sentenced on August 1st. Now, remember, the maximum penalty, she could face 5 years in federal prison. Reporting live in downtown Memphis, Jackie Orozco, ABC 24 News.